Next up, we got some tomato juice. Get this off. Hey guys, I'm Danny, and today I'm going to be putting RESHOEVN8R's water and stain repellent to the ultimate test on my pair of YEEZY Boost 350 V2 Zebras. This video is not sponsored by RESHOEVN8R, but if you guys are looking to purchase anything from RESHOEVN8R.com, I do have a discount code you guys can use. Click the link down below in the description and use my code DANNY10 to save you 10% off anything from RESHOEVN8R.com. So in this video, I'm going to be using the YEEZY Boost 350 V2 Zebra to really put RESHOEVN8R's water and stain repellent to the test. I'm going to spray this on, and then we're going to head into the bathroom, and I'm going to show you guys how well this water and stain repellent actually works. So to get started, I'm going to pop the cap off of the RESHOEVN8R water and stain repellent, shake it up a little bit, and I'm going to spray the Yeezys. We're just going to do one shoe for now. We're going to do the left shoe. So let me start spraying these. Let me shake this up, and let me show you guys how to spray the water and stain repellent onto your sneaker. So basically, just go a little distance away and spray it. Very, very simple. You want to make sure you get the entire sneaker. It does have a little smell to it. Nothing too crazy, though. That's why I'm doing it here in my bedroom. Not too bad of a smell. And that should do it. So now we're going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and spray another coat.
11 minutes later.
So it's been about 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and spray another coat of the water and stain repellent on the Yeezys. Alright. So now these are all protected and ready to go. In about 15 minutes, I'm going to let this sit. And then we're going to put the water and stain repellent by RESHOEVN8R to the test in the bathroom. You guys are really going to want to stay tuned for this. Trust me. We are now in my bathroom. I'm sorry if there's an echo, but let's get straight into this. So I'm going to be putting a bunch of real-life items on these Yeezys and showing you guys that RESHOEVN8R water and stain repellent actually does work. So we do have ketchup, we have hot sauce, we have Olive Garden Italian dressing, tomato sauce, tomato juice, and of course some soda, the last of the bottle. Now let's put RESHOEVN8R's water and stain repellent to the ultimate test. First up, the ketchup. Got a nice amount of ketchup there, and let's run these under the water. Show you that it comes right off. All the ketchup is off. Next up, let's get into the hot sauce. Man, I spilled some hot sauce on my shoes. Let's get this off. Came right off. Next up, we got the Italian dressing. Shout out to Olive Garden. Their Italian dressing is banging. But yeah, got a nice amount on there. Get this off. Came right off. Next up, we got some tomato juice. Get this off. You can see it bouncing right off. Boom, came right off. And last, we have some Coke, my favorite soda, my favorite drink. Got the soda, and the soda bounced right off as well. Run under the water. Shake it off. And as you guys can see, nothing stained at all. Shout out to RESHOEVN8R water and stain repellent. It actually does work. As you guys can see, these Yeezys are not stained. Everything I just put on came right off. And use my discount code, once again, DANNY10 for 10% off RESHOEVN8R products. As you guys just saw, RESHOEVN8R water and stain repellent does actually work, and it saved my Yeezys from being completely destroyed, man. All of those products just came completely off of the sneaker. Of course, the sneaker is wet. I mean, I just ran water over it, but it will dry off, and nothing is there. Look at that toe box, man. So clean. Shout out to RESHOEVN8R for always working. RESHOEVN8R really does have the best sneaker cleaning products in the game. So if you're a sneakerhead or a hype beast, you definitely need RESHOEVN8R no matter what to protect your sneakers from things like this really happening. So with that being said, make sure you guys check the link down below in the description. Once again, this video is not sponsored. I'm an affiliate with RESHOEVN8R, so if you guys use my coupon code, I will receive a little bit of a kickback from it. So I do want to put that full disclaimer out there. But I personally really do love RESHOEVN8R products, man. And as you guys just saw, the water and stain repellent really does work. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will be doing more videos on RESHOEVN8R products and showing you guys how well each product actually does work. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.